Namaste students. Today's our topic is consumer welfare. What is consumer welfare? Consumer welfare can mean many things to different people. Many authorities have not adopted a formal definition of consumer welfare, though their practice is sometimes governed by principles in which a definition is indirectly incorporated for those authorities who see consumer welfare as the underlying goal of competition law. Explicit references to consumer welfare in the authority enforcement activities may arguably be superfluous. In fact, they may see the very act of enforcement as beneficial for consumer welfare. When analyzing the role of consumer welfare in competition enforcement, it is important to begin at the beginning and to focus on the question of whether authorities believe their primary goal to be the promotion of consumer welfare. In addition, insight can be gained on how authorities perceive the role of consumer welfare by considering whether, where, and how reference is made to consumer welfare in authority, mission statements, and competition law. Relationship between competition law and consumer welfare. For many authorities, competition law seeks to protect the process of free market competition in order to ensure the efficient allocation of scarce economic resources. Some authorities ensure that maximization of economic efficiency will ultimately create benefits for the consumer, including price and cost reductions plus improvements and innovations, quality, choice, services. It may be argued that promoting consumer welfare is inherent in the enforcement of competition and that consumer welfare is a natural result of competition law. For example, Bosnia states that the very fact that competition law is enforced naturally leads to enhanced consumer welfare. In other words, by carrying out its legal mandate, ensuring that healthy competition exists. Right? Competition has a similar objective, that is to ensure protection and to provide conditions for promotion of competition and free economic initiative, in the belief that effective competition ultimately enhances consumer welfare. In the view of the Bulgaria authority, the purpose of competition policy is to ensure that through competition consumers have the widest possible range of choice of goods and services at the lowest possible prices. France states the consumer welfare is considered one of the main aims of competition law enforcement. All its broadly construed in France, it is assumed that the intermediate objectives in some situations as well as stimulating an efficient allocation of resources and preventing unchecked market power foster consumers' welfare in the long run. Competition is therefore not an end in itself but a means intended to make sure the market economy, alongside other public policies, works for the benefit of consumers. In Finland, the authorities' mission also places emphasis on the need for the development of productivity. As a result of well-functioning market, the gain of which are presumed to be passed on the customers and consumers. Monopoly Regulation and Fair Trade Act. It says that this act seeks to promote free and fair competition such that creative business activities are fostered to protect consumers and to strive for the balanced development of the national economy by preventing the abuse of market dominance by enterprises and excessive concentration of economic power, and by regulating unlawful, coordinated interaction and unfair business practices. The general interpretation of Article 1 is that the promoting fair and free competition is the first and direct goal of competition enforcement and fostering creative